California is known for its beautiful beaches and great amusement parks, but it's also home to a huge agricultural industry. Hi, I'm Veronica Hill, your California travel expert. Today we're in Ontario, California, where we're going on a good old-fashioned farm tour. Specializing in Holstein calves and holistic gardening, Amy's Farm is a great example of California agritourism. During this kinder and gentler family amusement, you'll help feed farm animals, harvest fresh herbs, and learn more about milk production with Tina, a Swiss cow who weighs more than 1,000 pounds. At the petting zoo, you can cuddle with baby goats, feed fresh greens to hungry piglets, or get up close and personal with your Thanksgiving dinner. But the highlight here is a visit to Nursery Lane, where you can bottle feed a Holstein calf. Next time you're in Southern California, consider booking one of Amy's farm tours. It's a hands-on experience that's educational and fun. For more California travel videos, advice, and tips, log on to CaliforniaTravelExpert.com.